chapter Enlivening a Presentation, we are going to cover the following topics in this video. First, applying animation effects. Second, adding transition effects. So let's start with the video tutorial. Okay, so let's start with our tutorial for class 6, that is Microsoft PowerPoint, and the chapter we are covering is Enlivening a Presentation. So let's start. First of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation software. Let me open it for you. Okay, so here is our Microsoft PowerPoint presentation program, and this is the default screen you will get when you open any Microsoft PowerPoint presentation software. This is the default window you will get. Now what I am doing, I am just opening a already made presentation. Okay, so this is the presentation which I have already made, that is for another class. So what the topic we have to cover here in for class 6 that we will do on this presentation, that is the topics are applying animation effect and adding transition effect. Now one thing, class 6 student, you will know that what is the difference between this animation and transition. Now when we talk about animation, animation means that when you give effect, that is the appearance effect to a particular object on a slide. For example, I have written this GD Goenka Public School Muzaffarnagar. So when I give any effect, means a moving effect to this particular text, or suppose I am giving moving effect to this particular image or a logo or anything what is there on the slide, whenever you give any moving effect, that is how your text will come, how your text will move on the slide, that part is called animation part. Okay, whenever you give any effect, any moving effect to your objects, either text, image, shape, anything which is there on the slide, when you give moving effect to that particular object on a slide, that is called animation. And what is transition? Transition means that when one slide changes after the other, the effect how one slide is exiting and other slide is appearing, that is called transition effect. Now let's do it with the help of example. Okay, fine. So this is my first slide, and what I need to do, I will apply all the animation effect on all the text and images or objects here. For example, first I will select this particular text. Okay, by clicking here, when you will find a border around, see, this is called a placeholder when it is with a dotted or hashed line. Okay, so click on this line, it will become a uniform line, a single line. Then what you have to do, you go to the animations tab. Now see, in animation tab, these are the transition effects, these are the inbuilt transition effect. So you need not to apply the transition effect as of now, but what you need to apply animation effect. Okay, so select this particular text, only one object or one text is to be selected. Then go to animate, in the animation group, go to custom animation. These are the some inbuilt parts. Suppose I am fly in, I am applying this effect, that is fly in. So this is how you can apply the effect. Now suppose I am clicking this e-learning resource, I am going to custom animation. Okay, so let me remove all the animation for you and just select this particular text, go to custom animations, add effect. Now entrance, how this text will enter on your slide. Now suppose I am clicking this diamond, so this is the effect. Okay, select the second text, add effect, entrance, fly in. Now see here, modifying. See what you can do, either the text will come on the mouse click, or you can see that after previous means the after previous here means that you whatever effect you have given to the first text, after that it will appear, means it will appear after the GD Goenka Public School Muzaffarnagar, the effect which we have given just now, this e-learning resource will appear after this GD Goenka. Okay, now speed you can control from here, slow, medium, fast, very fast, so I am clicking it fast. Now I am selecting the third object on my slide, entrance. Now I am clicking the split part after previous, vertical out, anything you can select, and speed medium. Okay, now I am selecting this image on my slide, add effect, emphasize, glow and shrink, after previous, size huge, it's becoming some, let me give it to 200. Okay, and we have to click here custom, enter. Fine, speed little fast, and then at the last I am selecting this last object on my slide, add effect, emphasize, or let me say entrance. Then there are some more effects also, you can choose. Okay, after previous, medium. Okay, so what we have done here, we have given a moving effect to all the objects that are there on the slide. This is called applying animation effects. You are applying animation there on the slide. Is that clear? So when we have a preview here, play, so our presentation will look like this: first, then second, then third, then this image object, and then the logo. The object on our slide has an effect.